Hey, tell me again, what's your name?
Meghla, sir.
Nice name.
Thank you, sir. Sir, which plan you have?
The plans what you tell me are simply superb.
Okay.
I was expecting such an offer for a long time.
Thank you so much, sir.
One tea.
Sir, your name, please?
I'm Satya.
Satya. Where are you working, sir?
Software company?
Software company. Okay, sir. Sir, if you need, I'll send my executive and he will talk to you.
Not required. You explained me very clearly. Then why do they need to talk to me? So it's okay.
Which plan you are choosing, sir?
Actually, Meghla, the plans you said was normal, not superb. To be very frank, it was excellent. So I just have a small confusion in selecting the plans. If you don't mind, if you tell me one more time, I can select it.
Okay, sir. You wanna listen second time?
I'm sorry, now I'm little busy.
So when will I call you?
Tomorrow, same time?
Okay, sir. Definitely, sir. I'll call you tomorrow, sir. Thank you, sir.
What's this?
Hello. Good morning, sir. I'm Meghla speaking in Challenge Finance Company.
Hi Meghla. How are you?
I'm superb, sir. What about you?
I'm also absolutely fine, Meghla. Yeah, tell me please.
Sir, actually, you told me that I want to call you today.
Oh, regarding the plan, right? Yeah, tell me, Meghla.
So actually, like I said yesterday, in our company we have 5 schemes. So
Tell me, Meghla.
So, are you listening to our plans, sir?
Yeah, I heard. Out of the 10 plan, the 3 are simply superb.
So, which plan you are choosing, sir?
In those 3 plans, I have a confusion in selecting. That's the problem, yeah.
Sir, actually...
If I hear it one time, I can final it. But I'm so sorry that I'm troubling you.
What is this, sir? Why are you feeling like this? Tell me which time I want to make you call.
Then... tomorrow, same time?
Definitely, sir. I'll call you. Thank you, sir. Seriously, he is a wonderful customer. Oh, in this month, my target is over.
They have completely drenched me, you know. Today, girls only getting lot of job opportunities.
Hi, Meghla.
Sir, how do you know that I'm calling you in this time?
It's very simple. Actually, I don't want to see you in person at all. Just by talking to you in phone, I can understand your sincerity, punctuality. Everything is easily understandable.
Will I tell you about plans, sir?
Yeah, tell me. I'm ready for that.
Now are you clear about plans, sir?
Yeah. Everything is clear, Meghla.
Thank you, sir. Which plan you are choosing, sir?
Before that, I would like to talk to you for a few minutes.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Usually, my traveling time from home to office is around 45 minutes. My friend always used to come with me. He used to talk nonsense always. And the time just ran away.
Okay.
Suddenly, he told that he was going to Bangalore. It was a shock for me. I don't know what to do. To be very frank, I was really missing my friend, you know. I was really upset for that. And that time you called me. You would not believe we were talking nonsense than my friend, you know that? Hello? Hello?
Who's that, buddy? As usual, marketing calls?
Then what else? The time I wake up from bed till I'm bathing, they're talking, dude. Okay, leave that, buddy. When we are traveling in a traffic, these girls call. I thought you were calling, so I pick up the call.
Excuse me, sir. Do you want any loan, sir?
All the time the same, dude. Same way one girl started to talk. I didn't leave her at all.
Hi, Dee. Hey, why you are so sad?
You know, one person was wasted my time.
Our business itself like that.
I know very well about our work. But this person gave me attention. That's why.
You had to be like me. Whoever kidded me, now they are running like anything.
Can you trace this number?
Brother, father wants to talk with you. So he called you.
For what? Is it about rent?
You already crossed the limit.
What else? The entire family is so mad. Huh? Hi, uncle.
Come, Satya.
Uncle, I heard you wanted to talk with me. What's the problem?
Yeah, he came to solve the problem. Don't make him to sit and talk. Earlier itself I said don't give the home to bachelor. Did you ask my words? First ask him to vacate the house.
Uncle, what's the problem?
Nothing. Today morning a girl came.
Satya! Where are you? Come out! Come out! Satya!
Who are you?
What who? You don't know what I am? He followed me, he loved me. After that, he left me once everything's over. He told me that I want to ask my house owner.
Hey, mind your words.
Hey, don't talk anything. You don't know about me. I'll give you just 2 days. He should come and ask me to apologize. Otherwise, like this chair, tomorrow you will fly. Mind it.
Uncle, tell me who is she? Tell her name. I will finish her soon.
Don't act very smart. You don't know anything about her, but you're roaming with her, right? We no need his dramas. He is a waste boy, but he got a smart girl. Why this headaches? I give 2 days time for him. Ask him to say sorry to her, or else ask him to vacate the house.
Uncle, but...
Your time starts now.
Uncle...
She is the owner, I'm just a servant.
Who is that girl? They're not giving any details. How can I find that girl?
Hey,
hey, sit
I
quietly.
said leave me. You are going to
Shut
leave me
your
or
mouth,
not?
I'll kick you.
I said leave me. Shall I shout you are kidnapping me? Leave me!
Hey, don't shout!
Fat boy, I'll slap you. What's your problem now?
I will come with you, but there are 2
So
conditions.
you have got conditions as well, huh?
First, you should buy lot of ice creams for me.
He will get it for you.
And second, he should not come with me.
See, how dare he? Will he leave me alone here? Hey, what happened to you? Buddy, listen carefully. Don't trust him. He will definitely let you down.
Just hold it.
For her only the costly ice cream. For me, normal ice cream. I don't want your ice cream and all. Just drop me to my home.
Hey, what are you talking nonsense? Don't talk like your mother.
I know, you were coming with her. I just saw with my eyes.
I'll pluck your eyes. When did you see, man?
We were searching from 2 days, right? That girl only.
Hey, is she here? Hey, just tell me, sweetheart. Just tell me, no?
Don't act and all. I know you are making fool of me.
Hey, seriously, I don't know. For the past 2 days, I'm with you, right? Please tell me, dude.
Then you should get me a costly ice cream.
First, I have to know her, then I buy for you. My sweetheart, my darling, please tell me, buddy.
See, there she is.
Where, buddy?
You're not able to see that white colored churidar.
Oh, violet color. Thanks, baby. Hold it, hold it.
Hey, ice cream, ice cream. Hey, ice cream, man. Hey, I want ice cream.
Hey, that's correct only, right?
Okay, Kitty. See you. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Hello? Hey, stop. Hey, I'm calling you from a long distance. You're going like you didn't hear anything.
Sorry, I didn't listen. But you...
I'm Satya.
Satya means...
Hello, your lover. What? You came to my house and created a big scene? Now why are you afraid?
That is not I am.
I'm sure it's you.
I'm telling you now.
Why don't you just stand and talk?
Hello. Why are you not understanding my words? Don't follow me, otherwise I'll call the police.
Okay, we'll call. Police! Police!
Hey, are you mad?
No problem with that. Your route will be cleared and I also don't have any problem. Police!
Don't shout. I only came to your house. What do you want now?
You created a scene. Now you're asking me what to do. You tried to spoil a good man's life. You have created a big scene that I will never get a wife in future. Okay, do one thing. You go to my house owner's house and tell them you don't have any connection with me.
I can't do this.
Then tell them we are connected.
Hello. What? Are you crazy? You only started this game first. That's why I done this.
Oh, really? So whatever I do, you do it back to me.
Definitely.
Whatever I do?
I can do anything.
Sure.
Sure.
I love you.
Idiot. Huh?
Hello, I'm not idiot. It's love, dear. Hello. Hey, you told me whatever I do, you do it back. I'm very serious about that. I love you, dear. I started to love you. I love you. I love you. Hey, what do you think of yourself? For the past 6 months, I'm following you. You're not replying me. If you have any problem, please tell me. I can understand. Do you think if you become silent, I just leave you? I will not easily leave you, dear.
If one girl wanna like one guy, it's not enough to follow him. He should impact that girl at least one time, okay? Till now, you didn't do something like this, you know? Then how should I love you?
Create impact. How will I create?
Hey, look at there.
Super! This is a very good punch. Continue.
Then what you did?
Hey! Don't run! Hey! Wait! Hey! Don't run! I said stop the running!
Hey,
How dare you do this?
It's spinning!
Why you done this? Huh? Are you crazy?
Hey, stop!
Idiot! Crazy fellow!
Hey! Hey, I'm calling you! Hey, did I create an impact now?